Design thinking can be applied to a variety of areas. One can understand how to interact with people and the products. One can also understand how people adapt products. One can also understand how people adapt to products to make their world more user friendly. One also involves the end user in the similar process, making a small market for their product. We have covered all the lesson and quiz in Module 1, and now is the time to do the assignment. You can download your assignment and submit the relevant documents, image or presentation by uploading to your course dashboard. Point to note, assignments are compulsory to move on to the next module. Best of luck for your assignment. Module 1 ends here. I hope you learned new skills in this module and wish you best of luck for Module 2.